So we are in collections and we are in sets in Python, and we are going to now look at the union method. Call it union method. And the first thing that we're going to do is create some sets. So we will just replicate these sets here. And the union method effectively is to join sets together. So there's our two sets. Let's create some sets. We've got a fruits 1 and a fruits 2, and we can print out fruits 1 and fruits 2, and we see the two sets that come out of them. And we are going to try it. Union means join them together, and we're also going to try and do just an addition to try and do fruits 1 plus fruits 2 and see what happens in that way as well. And if it was in SQL, I think the command might actually, no, it would be union, but I think there might also be a join type command. But let's have a look in Python. So we're going to let's get the union, which is a join, some kind of join. And what we're going to get, or what we're expecting to get, is we're going to get apple and banana here from our first set, and we're going to get lemon and mango. But then we've got a duplication here. We've got an orange, and that can't come in twice. So we're expecting the union to kind of like throw out one of the oranges, because we know that one of the properties of sets is that they need to be unique in terms of each item can only occur once. So we will set in fact, we won't even set a variable yet. We'll do fruits 1 dot union just to see the union operator and have a little read through it. But the union operator returns the union of sets as a new set. So we're told that we're going to be given another new set, and i.e. all elements that are in either set. So everything is going to be joined up, but of course it needs to be unique. And we see here as well that the returned value, as well as the comment from there, we see that return value is a set that's going to come back. So we'll do union, open brackets, and then we're going to do fruits 1 on fruits 2. We could, for the purpose of union, we could do fruits 2 on fruits 1 or fruits 1 on fruits 2. It doesn't matter either way because it's a symmetric process. And because this returns us a variable, we are going to do union is equal to. So we're going to assign whatever is returned back here, this set, into union, and then we can print on our next line, print union colon, and then union, just like that. And when we do that, we see that the union is the banana, lemon, apple, mango, and we see that orange, which occurred twice, once in each set, now just occurs once. So that is doing the union of sets. But the next thing that we're going to do is, well, quite commonly we can do this. So, you know, will Python allow us to just do the summation, the adding, so the addition operator onto sets? So we'll try that out. So let's try to get the union by adding, and we'll do a try except block because it will either work or it won't work. And we can say something like union is equal to fruits 1 plus fruits 2. Notice we could have done this without the try block, but if it was going to fail, it throw us this error message. So we're putting it inside the try except block, and then we can if we do get an exception, we'll handle it. So we'll get exception as E, so that we could print it out if there was an exception, and we will do print tried adding. So we're going to try adding the two sets, and if there is an error, then it will throw a nice clean error message. Otherwise, we will print over here. Print, in fact, we can take that from the line above. We can print union as union if it was to work. So let's just try and do this and see what comes back. And we see here tried adding, and then we do get this error message, unsupported operand type for plus set and set. So we can't add sets. If we want to join sets together and retain their uniqueness, because we know that sets must be unique in terms of each item only occurring once, then we need to use the union operator. There are other roundabout ways of doing it, but we can't do our first obvious way, which might be adding two sets together. The addition operator doesn't work. So that's how the union method works for sets, and it is the way of combining two sets together in Python.